This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever underneath the steering wheel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood, then support it with the rod. Disconnect the PCV hose from the air outlet tube. Remove the air outlet tube by loosening the hose clamps on each side, then disconnecting the tube from the intake manifold and throttle body. Before the drive belt is removed, take note of the belt's routing on all of the component's pulleys. There should also be an illustration of the belt's pathway on the decal located on the radiator support. Belt wear indicator marks are located on the side of the tensioner body. When the belt reaches the maximum wear mark, it must be replaced. To replace a serpentine belt, rotate the tensioner bolt against the spring force to release tension off the belt. Then slip the belt off the pulley. With the belt released from the pulley, rotate the tensioner slowly back to its stopping point. Fully remove the belt from the remaining pulleys and out of the engine compartment. Install the drive belt, loosely routing it on the pulleys and making sure the belt is located evenly on all the pulley grooves. Rotate the tensioner to allow the belt to be slipped onto the pulley. Then release it, applying tension to the belt. Double check to make sure that the ribs of the new belt engage the pulley grooves correctly. Install the air outlet tube. Connect the PCV hose to the tube. Tighten the hose clamps securely.